In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on price rules in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner trying to streamline your pricing strategy or just looking to make the most of QuickBooks, getting price rules up and running can be a valuable tool in your toolkit. Let's dive in and take it step by step. To start, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online interface. Here, you'll find the gear icon. This little cogwheel is the gateway to all your settings. Give it a click, and you'll reveal a drop-down menu with numerous options for customizing and adjusting your QuickBooks environment. Among the choices you'll see is Accounts and Settings. This option is crucial as it leads you to the next step in modifying your QuickBooks settings, where you'll be enabling the Price Rules feature. After selecting Accounts and Settings, your next destination is the Sales tab. The Sales tab is your go-to for all things related to how you manage sales within QuickBooks. It's the hub where you can customize your preferences for sales forms, shipping, and more. Within this tab, one particular area to focus on is Products and Services. This section allows you to edit the settings that control how you categorize, track, and price your various offerings. With that done, you're almost there. Once you're viewing your Products and Services settings, you'll find a switch that allows you to turn on price rules. This switch might look familiar, akin to flipping a light switch. It's a small toggle that you can click to the on position. Turning on this feature will enable price rules, allowing you greater flexibility in how you manage pricing strategies for your products and services. With price rules activated, you can set discounts, markups, or custom prices based on different criteria like the season or customer type. It's a powerful way to automate pricing adjustments without a lot of manual effort. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've activated price rules, paving the way for more sophisticated pricing strategies within QuickBooks Online. Whether you're looking to offer promotional discounts or manage price changes due to supply costs, price rules make these tasks easier and more efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this feature as beneficial as many others do. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to explore other settings and features within QuickBooks to further enhance how you manage your finances.